everyone, and welcome back to Hacks with Christina. It should come as no surprise that vinegar is the #1 natural cleaner used worldwide. It's known for its cleaning properties due to its acidic nature, which can help dissolve mineral deposits, cut through grease, and remove odors. It's commonly used for various cleaning tasks around the home. However, while vinegar is a versatile cleaner, there are certain items and surfaces that you should avoid cleaning with it due to its acidic properties. In this video, I'm sharing 8 items and why using vinegar on them can lead to trouble. Plus, I'll share some safe alternatives that will keep your belongings looking their best. Let's start with stone surfaces like marble, granite, limestone, and quartz. While vinegar might seem like a great cleaner, its acidity can actually etch, damage, and dull these beautiful surfaces over time. Instead, opt for a pH-neutral stone cleaner to maintain the natural beauty of your countertops and floors. Have you ever tried to clean up an egg spill with vinegar? Well, think again. Vinegar can cause the proteins in the egg to coagulate, making the mess even harder to clean. Stick to using water and a mild soap for this sticky situation. Next up, electronic screens. It might be tempting to use vinegar to clean your phone, laptop screen, or car's infotainment screen, but the acid can actually damage the delicate anti-glare coating and touch functionality. Instead, use microfiber cloths and distilled water to keep your devices looking pristine. Cast iron skillets are beloved for their non-stick surface, but using vinegar to clean them can strip away the seasoning that makes them so special. Opt for a little warm water and a stiff brush to preserve your skillet's seasoned goodness. Speaking of cookware, iron, aluminum, and stainless steel pans are vulnerable to vinegar's effects. The acid can react with the metal, leading to potential damage. Stick to gentle soap to keep your pots and pans shining. Now let's move on to tinted windows. It's not recommended to use vinegar on tinted car windows. Tinted windows are often made with a thin film that can be sensitive to harsh chemicals, including the acidity in vinegar. Using vinegar could potentially damage the tint or cause it to peel. If you need to clean your tinted windows, it's best to use a microfiber cloth and distilled water. You can also look for products that are labeled as safe for tinted windows. Wood furniture lovers, beware. Vinegar can strip away the finishes, leaving your pieces dull and discolored. Opt for wood-specific cleaner to maintain your furniture's luster. Lastly, pet stains. While vinegar can neutralize some odors, it might not fully remove the smell of pet urine. Enzymatic cleaners are the way to go for effective stain and odor removal. And there you have it, 8 items you should never clean with vinegar and the reasons why. Remember, vinegar is a versatile cleaner, but it's essential to use it wisely. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more cleaning tips and tricks. Until next time, keep your cleaning game strong and your vinegar in check. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.